This is a short video from the National Weather Service of Medford to talk about an upcoming winter storm. This slide is an overview of the expected storm total snowfall from Sunday through Monday night over our area. A strong and very cold frontal system will move through Sunday morning. This will cause snow levels to crash to the valley floors throughout the day Sunday. Snow will impact virtually all of our area at some point, possibly even including the coast. Snow will be heaviest in the mountains, of course, and significant impacts are expected up there. In the valleys, precipitation will be more showery, so while all locations are expected to see snowflakes falling at some point, the best chance for accumulating snow will be just as the front goes through Sunday morning, and then Sunday night as it gets dark and temperatures fall. During daylight hours, snow in the valleys will probably fall, but it'll also probably melt on contact. Behind this storm system on Monday, the coldest air of the season and possibly the coldest air that we've seen since 1990 will move in. Temperatures will be well below freezing in many areas Monday night, including even at the coast. I'm going to explain some of the highest confidence impacts we have right now. We do expect heavy snow to affect Interstate 5, and that includes the passes between Grants Pass and Roseburg. That includes Sexton Summit, Canyon Mountain Pass, and the other two passes. Could see up to 7 inches of snow on those passes, and that'll have a significant effect on travel along I-5. We also have high confidence in heavy snow in the Cascades, with at least a foot of snow over 140 Lake of the Woods and possibly up to 2 feet near the rim at Crater Lake. Siskiyou Summit will also see some impactful snowfall, with possibly up to 7 inches there altogether. Confidence in the valleys is a little bit lower, just because of the showery nature of the precipitation and the fact that a lot of it comes during the daytime. So while snow is probably going to fall off and on most of the day Sunday and into Sunday night, we probably won't see too much accumulation except for, as I mentioned, when the front goes through Sunday morning, and then again when it gets dark and cold Sunday evening and Sunday night. We do see the potential for up to 2 inches of snow in both Medford and Roseburg, and possibly 2 to 4 inches through the Illinois Valley, including possibly up to 6 inches on Hayes Hill. So potential for significant travel impacts even in west side valleys with this storm system. We look over on the east side, we don't see as much snow with the exception of the Highway 97 corridor north of Klamath Falls on up through Chemolt, where we could see 4 to 8 inches of snow along Highway 97. Further east in eastern Klamath County and Lake counties, we do see light snow potential, and there's also some high wind potential, so we could see some blowing snow in those areas. Kind of the same story in Northern California with the heaviest snow falling in the mountains, where the western Siskiyou Mountains could see up to a foot of snow. Lighter snow, though, in eastern Siskiyou County and on over into Modoc County, but again, in those areas, we will see some gusty winds, so we could see blowing snow as well. Here are a few key messages that we'd like you to take away from this video. Snow will impact much of our area Sunday through Monday morning. The mountains, of course, will be the hardest hit, and that includes all the passes along I-5 from Siskiyou Summit all the way on up to Roseburg. Snow will fall in valley locations as well. However, accumulations are most likely to occur Sunday morning and then again at night. It will be very cold Monday night into Tuesday, possibly with record low temperatures. Some possible actions you might want to take: expect winter driving conditions in the area as you're traveling around. Check the road conditions before you travel on the website shown on your screen. You should dress warmly and in layers for that very cold weather coming up. And wrap exposed pipes for the freezing potential. That's the end of this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on social media. And if you get snowfall, we'd also really like to have your snowfall reports, so please find a place to put that on our social media sites as well. Thank you for listening.